वही पे वही पे सर थोड़ा सा पीछे एक्सक्यूज मी सर थोड़ा सा पीछे सर भी किया स्पीड नहीं होगी भाई यार एक्सक्यूज मी सर सामने कैसे एक्सक्यूज मी सर सर लोग क्या सेंटर
Don't give me your dialogues.
वन मिनट सामने your left so your last one happy सामने excuse me sir hold on
मैम यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे
Okay, so the film basically is about dreams, it's about aspirations, it's about rising above all your hardships because जहाँ सपने होते हैं वहाँ पे मुश्किलें भी होती हैं and how you deal with that and come out with the smiling face is what the film is all about. जीना इसी का नाम है.
How was your experience working with Surya Patak and Abbas?
It has been an amazing experience. अरबाज के साथ मैं पहले भी बहुत काम कर चुकी हूँ. सुप्रिया मैम आई वर्क विद अराउंड किस किस को प्यार करूँ बट उसमें बहुत कॉमिक था सब एंड इन दिस फिल्म इट वॉज वेरी इंटेंस performance oriented everything so it was wonderful to watch her as an actress to perform even Ashutosh Rana sir he's phenomenal in the film and I think it was a great opportunity to work with an actor like that so
ट्रेलर को काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है ऑडियंस का तो इसकी तरफ होंगे
I'm very happy that everybody has been enjoying the trailer and I'm sure they'll love the movie much more than the trailer so please everybody should go and watch the film.
So what will be the memory from the movie which will you take from it?
I think the whole experience of this film was a beautiful memory for me because as an actress it was a very challenging film because I have played an entire range from the time she's an 18-year-old girl trying to find herself to the time she becomes a 40-year-old successful woman. So I think it's been a creatively very satisfying experience for me.
Wednesday is coming now.
Yes.
Nowadays, now the
What do you want to ask me? What?
means the situation is not good for the moment. So what do you like to give a message or anything you would like to give to the audience?
I just want to tell all the women that they are individuals themselves and to recognize that and not let anyone try to bog them down, and to live your dream and to get educated, and there can be nothing more powerful than education. So, yeah.
मैम होली
एक सीन काफी
Sorry?
एक सीन जो है उसमें से आप एक पिक्चर का रोमांटिक
कौन सा सीन वायरल किया गया तो मुझे भी बता दो। द किस सीन? हाँ, तो मैं क्या बोलूँ उसके ऊपर?
मतलब क्या पिक्चर का आपको क्या लगता है उसमें अच्छा दिखना
See, I don't know all that. That's I don't know who's done that, whatever. But my only thing is, it was a scene in the film which was important to the because she was how it is, like you're just growing up. Your first kiss, it was a beautiful moment which we tried to portray in the film. Now, whoever made it viral or whatever, I don't know.
Ma'am, Holi is coming. Any special plan in Holi?
I am going to play this year. I have not played last year, but this year I'm going to have a great time on Holi with my friends and family.
मैम एक विश अगर हो जाए ऑडियंस के लिए
एक wish हो जाए for Holi. Wish you all a very, very, very happy Holi. Please celebrate with all your friends and family, and use safe colors for the skin. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
सेंटर सर आपके सामने
भाई संदेश is calling you.
सामने
किस तरफ
सामने